Porn and the risk of rejection. Is it worth seeking out a real relationship? I'm Dr. Trish Lee. This is your Monday motivation. So I'm not going to wax and wane about the science, but what I am going to tell you is I know from working with so many people that they tell me that the reason they went to porn in the first place is because they don't think there's anybody out there that they can build a relationship with, and that they don't think they'll find anybody. So they just go to the screen because they have just a plethora of women there who can satisfy their needs. That really is the risk of rejection. There's a person out there for every person. It's just a matter of if you can have the strength in approaching and throwing yourself out there and making yourself vulnerable, because they might reject you. And if they do, then you will just have to get back up on the horse again and approach somebody else, and they might reject you too. But it's like writing a book, right? Like J.K. Rowling, they talk about how she sent her book to thousands of publishers and they all rejected her until finally one publisher said they would publish the book, and the rest is history. She's the author of Harry Potter, if you don't know. So those first 1,000 people, it wasn't because her book was not good. It's because those 1,000 people didn't see the value in it. But the last person saw the value, and they were spot on, because obviously she's one of the richest women in the world, and it's one of the most popular selling books and movies, etc., etc. So stay the course. Throw yourself out there. Risk rejection. It will be worth it, because I tell you what's not worth it. Wasting your time and your energy watching unhealthy fantasy performances that aren't even real and that you are not experiencing. You're just watching it. You're not even a part of it. You're isolating yourself instead of connecting with other people in the world to find that one person. Truly, I hope it doesn't take you 1,000 tries, but if it does, it will still be worth it. So go get it. Break the habit and go find someone that you can live a healthy, fabulous life and rock out your best life with. Okay, go get it. And as always, control your brain or it'll control you.